You're watching F5. We are here at F5 AppWorld Las Vegas 2026. I'm here with Shane from Red Hat, wearing a red hat. Shane, can I get you to introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Shane Heroux. I'm a Principal Engineering Partner Manager with Red Hat. I've been working with the F5 team for a little over 2 years now.
Oh, awesome. Very cool. And some of your work has been announced this week, the Quickstart guides that we, at least I saw a little press release about it.
Yeah.
I didn't read into it, so actually it's awesome that you're here and you can tell me about it and brief me about it. Yeah, maybe I'll let you do that.
Sure. So Red Hat AI Quickstarts are basically a blueprint that lets people understand how they can install software on Red Hat OpenShift AI in a predictable and repeatable way.
So is this from the ground up, like actually installing it, or is it installing apps on top?
Well, all that's been sorted out for you. Our engineering teams have been working together to determine the order of operations, basically. So you don't have to figure out how you're going to install what in what order. It's been tested by both of our engineering teams and validated to make sure all the components work together. And at the end of it, you get a working application stack that people can just use and start delivering value right away.
Huh. So is it like one size fits all, or?
Well, it starts out with an example that's specific to an industry. Okay. So the API Security Quickstart is specifically geared toward FSI, but the pattern of usage and the use case you might apply it to would be appropriate for anything. So if you're in healthcare, really any vertical where you're dealing with private information, the same Quickstart would be applicable to those use cases as well.
Huh. And would this be like demo only, or would somebody actually be able to put it into production after they follow a Quickstart guide?
So you could,
yeah.
But it's really meant to be more of a proof of concept.
Okay.
So the way we developed these, or the intention behind them, was that if you have, for example, a solutions architect or a systems integrator who's looking to demonstrate how you deploy a specific application stack on OpenShift AI, you'd use one of these Quickstarts to kind of demonstrate how you would do that. You could use the same patterns, substituting what you need to for your particular use case pretty easily.
Oh, pretty cool. So, like, when you say quick, well, let's qualify or quantify that a little bit. Or are we talking minutes, hours, days?
Not days.
Okay.
They're intended to be deployed pretty quick, probably a matter of a couple of hours. I think it depends on the Quickstart, but the API security one specifically that we just finished, having gone through the instructions myself, probably get it done in a couple hours.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. And this is compared to reading different manuals, figuring out how things plug in together, and potentially encountering version mismatches and stuff like that?
Sure. The idea is you come into deploying your AI application with a use case in mind already. In the example of the F5 API Security Quickstart, you're talking about, I need to secure my API endpoints, right? So regardless of the data that's being served by the LLM, you know that's your use case out of the gate. And you know that, what's the term I'm looking for? You know that distributed cloud, web application, and API protection is the solution you want to use to do that endpoint protection. So you don't have to go through the research of deciding what solution you're going to deploy. That's all been decided for you. And the deployment pattern is what's written out in the Quickstart. So you don't have to go through the trial and error of deploying something, see if it works, then it doesn't, try something else, see if it works, so on and so forth. You can start delivering value right away much more quickly.
Oh, super cool. So how many Quickstarts did we do so far?
So right now, F5's got one in the books. We're working on another one. And I'm going to tell you about what it is. I don't know if this is something that's been announced, so you'll have to
see.
Yeah, you'll have to see. But the AI Guardrails and AI Red Team announcement that was made earlier this week, we're developing a Quickstart based on that. I'm told that's supposed to be ready by Red Hat Summit.
Okay.
But right now, the API Security Quickstart is the first and I don't want to say only, because I think there might be one more being published as I speak. But it was definitely the first partner-led Quickstart that's in the Quickstart catalog. The rest are all developed exclusively by Red Hat. Certainly by Red Hat Summit, you'll be able to see a number of different partner-led Quickstarts.
All right, pretty cool. So where would people go to find the Quickstart guides?
I'm going to give you a link to the Quickstart catalog. It's at docs.redhat.com, and I don't know the rest of the URL off the top of my head, but I'll give it to you so you can put it in the Chiron or something.
Perfect. All right. Sounds good. This is awesome, Shane. I see like lots of value. I know for our team, like being able to get stuff up really quickly so that we can give demos and build stuff around it saves us time, like days of time and frustration trying to get things to match up. So this is great. Very cool.
Cool.
Alrighty. So make sure folks follow, like, subscribe. We'll leave links down below, and otherwise we'll see you on the next one. Bye.